it's Yuri teacher time! Hello, boys and girls. It's Yuri teacher. Yuri teacher is back with the letter Q. Letter Q. It's this way, right? Q and Q, big Q and the little q, uppercase Q and the lowercase q. It's this way, right? This way. Yes, this is Q. Backward Q. All right, so this is Q and Q. Your teacher is back with the letter Q, guys. Your teacher is back, but some of you guys are not back. I think, Leo, are you okay? Leo is sick. I think Leo's gonna come back from tomorrow, and Johnny is sick as well. Are you okay? Yes? Do you miss me? And who else was sick this week? Oh, Noah, are you okay? Not the 6-year-old Noah, 7-year-old Noah, Noah Choi. Your teacher misses you guys. I missed you so much. So you guys have to come back from next week, okay? Probably end of this week as well, right? But you guys have to review this video clip and memorize all the keywords, okay? Keywords, okay, guys? All right, so let's go over all the keywords right now. So, are you guys ready? Oops, I dropped my cards. All right, so guys, are you guys ready? Yes? Noah is so good. 6-year-old Noah in Emily's class. Noah is so good. Noah, listens to teacher very, very well, and he sits like this, sit up straight, and he listens to the teacher very, very well. Very good, Noah. All right, so I think Noah got $12, right? All right, so let's go over all the keywords, guys. Are you guys ready? Yes. Everybody, what is this? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Before we do this, how does Q sound like, guys? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Q is quack, 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 quack. All right, so let's go over the keywords. Here we go. This is quack, quack, quiet, quiet. Your teacher said be, you say quiet, right? We do this every day. Be quiet, quiet, quack, quack, quiet. And what about this one? This is quack, quack, quiver, quack, quack, quiver. Kai, what is quiver in Korean? What is quiver in Korean? He got the right answer. Yes, Kai. Kai told everybody, right? Quack, quack, quiver. What is quiver in Korean, guys? This is the quiver. This is like a little arrow thing, and this is the quiver. Quiver, it's like a little plastic container. Yes, this is like, I think a long time ago, this made out of maybe the leather, but right now it's a plastic container, right? All right, so this is quack, quack, quiver. Quack, quack, quiver. Quiver, quiver. What is this? This is quack, quack, quilt. Quack, quack, quilt, quilt, quilt. It's like what is quilt, guys? This is like a little blanket with a little quilt, yes? This is quilt, quack, quack, quilt, quilt, quilt. It's a little blanket. All right, so what about this one? Quack, 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 question. Question, what is this? What is 1 plus 1? Your teacher, what is 1 plus 2? Quack, quack, question. Quack, quack, question. Question, question. Your teacher, I have a question. What is question in Korean? It's a question, question. Quack, quack, question. And what about this one? Quack, quack, quiz. Quack, 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 quiz. What is number 1? What's number 1 answer? All right, so this is number 1, quiz. Quiz, quiz. And what about this one? This is quack, quack, Quinn. Quinn Elizabeth. Quack, quack, Quinn. Quinn, Quinn. Quack, quack, Queen. Got it. All right, so everybody, don't forget all the cue words. Quack, 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 cue words, quack, quack words. And guys, your teacher's gonna see if you can remember all the cue words or not, okay? Cue words are kind of a little bit tricky, right? So guys, you guys have to finish all your homework, guys, and your teacher will be right back with the magic box. I'll be right back. Oh, my back hurts. All right, so guys, let's see who's going to come out first from the magic box. Let's see. Let's put your teacher's oil in the magic box and sprinkle, and I'm gonna mix it. All right, so you guys ready? Yes? All right, so let's see who's gonna come out. I'm not gonna see it, and then let's pick. Oh, Diana, you did an excellent work on your homework. She colored all the homework very, it was so good. Your teacher, I think I'm gonna give you more dollars for you. Okay, Diana? All right, so Diana, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 right? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Let's see if Diana remembers. What is this? Quack, quack. What is it, Diana? Say the word so your mommy can hear. All right, so what is this? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Shh. Quiet. Got it? Got the right answer? Yes? The right answer? I'm gonna ask your mommy if you got the right answer or not, okay? So this is quack, quack. Quiet. Quack, quack. Quiet. Got it. All right, so let's see. Thank you for coming out, Diana. Such a cutie, Diana. Diana does really, really good on the activity as well. All right, so let's see. Are you guys ready? Should I put one more? Yes? Yes, of course. Let's see who's gonna come out next. Mix the cards and let's see. Bentley! Oh, Bentley, I saw your sketchbook. You made a very, very nice queen for Q. I love your queen activity. Very nice. All right, so Bentley, let's see if you can remember the Q words. How does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 right? So let's see if Bentley can remember this. What is this, Bentley? This is quack, quack. What is it? I'm not gonna say it. You say it. Quack, quack. What is it? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quiver. Yes, got it. Got the answer? Yes. Quack, quack. Quiver. 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 Got it. Right. Thank you, Bentley. Look at your cheesy smile. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna pick one. Let's see. Jaden, handsome Jaden. All right, so Jaden, are you ready? How does Q sound like, Jaden? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Very good, Jaden. Got the right answer. You know all the sounds from A to Q, right, Jaden? All right, so let's see if Jaden can remember. What is this? This is quack, quack. What is it, Jaden? Say the word, or William. What is this? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quilt, quilt, quilt. Say quilt. Quack, quack, quilt, quack, quack, quilt. Got it, Jaden? Yes? I think Jaden really loves Isla. Yes, you guys are very close and you guys fight together every time. Yes? Yes, Isla? You guys love each other? Yes? You guys love each other so much. So you guys are very little bit jealousy, right? You guys are really jealous about anything. Right, Jaden? But I love your smile. Very good. I love your sketchbook activity as well, Jaden. I saw your Q quilt. You put all the paints. It was very colorful and nice. Very good, Jaden. Love it. All right, so should I get one more? Yes. Let's see who's gonna come out. This is Jennifer. Now I can't really see your face. Very good, Jennifer. Jennifer, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Let's see if Jennifer can remember this word. What is this, Jennifer? This is quack, 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 quack. Yes, you're right. Quack, quack, question. Quack, quack, question. Question, question. Remember the words? Yes, Jennifer? Yes? Quack, quack, question. Quack, quack, question. Jennifer. Okay. All right, so remember all the sounds from A to Q, right, Jennifer? Yes, you're just going to ask you every day from now on, okay? All right, so thank you for coming out, Jennifer. Should I pick one more? Yes. See. Hajin. Hello, Hajin. All right, so Hajin, are you ready to say all the Q words? Yes? Hajin, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q. Quack, 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 quack. Yes, let's see if Hajin can remember this. This is quack, quack. What is it? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quiz, 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 quiz. I think you're gonna have a lot of quiz next year. Yes, if you are 6-year-old. When you go to school, you're gonna have a lot of quizzes. Your teacher didn't really like the quizzes and test. All right, so this is quack, quack, quiz, quack, quack, quiz, quiz, quiz. Got it. Hajin, very good. All right, you guys did an excellent work. I'm just gonna close down my magic box. Bye-bye, magic box. Oh, and then I'm gonna put it down. Oh. All right, so guys, you guys did an excellent work this week. We made a quilt on your sketchbook and we made a queen. And today we are going to make a quiver. We're going to make a quiver. All right, so guys, your sketchbooks are beautiful and I really loved it. All right, so guys, you guys have to have a great weekend with your mommy and daddy, and you guys have to finish all your homework and bring it to your teacher on Monday. All right, guys, have a safe weekend and I'll see you guys next week with your homework. Say bye-bye, your teacher. Say bye. Bye-bye. Bye, Jenny. I miss you, Noah. Lily, too. And Jenny, you were not here yesterday. And I'm gonna miss everybody. Leo, I'll see you tomorrow. And who else was sick? Teo is gonna come here. All right, so today, bye-bye, guys. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Say hello, Mommy. Say hello, Mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
Oh, very good, very pretty. Today we have a blue day. Your teacher has blue, like this is a little bit darker, and this is a little bit lighter. This is sky blue dress. Very good with the little sky blue ribbon. You're very pretty, like a Elsa. Elsa princess, yes? Okay, so Yudin, your teacher is going to see if you can remember the Q words, okay? So Yudin, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q.
Quack, 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 quack.
How does K sound like? K, 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 K. What about how does G sound like? G, 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 G. What about how does F sound like? F, 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 F. Fish. Very good. So today, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q.
Quack, 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 quack.
High five. Oh, very good. So today, I think you're going to color all the family members, so you can do it, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so high five, and then go back to Sarah teacher's class, and then you have to do it again, okay?
Ne.
Okay, your teacher. Say, okay, your teacher.
Okay, your teacher.
Oh, say I love you, your teacher.
I love your teacher.
Say bye, mommy.
Say bye, mommy.
Say I love you, mommy.
I love you, mommy.
Okay, let's go. Ayan. Are you gonna smile? Smile! So Diana, come here. Say hello, mommy. Say hello, mommy.
Hello, mommy.
Oh, very good. So your teacher's going to see if you can remember the sounds. Okay. Okay, Diana, how does Q sound like Q, 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 Q?
Quack, 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 quack.
What about how does M sound like M, 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 M? Yes. Speak louder. Speak loud. Like this. Okay. What about how does O sound like O, 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 O? P, 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 P. Oh, you remember all the letter sounds, Diana. Very nice. High five. Okay. You okay? So you have to go back to Jane teacher's class and then we're going to do the dance, okay? Let's go. Say bye, mommy.
Bye, mommy.
Say bye, daddy.
Bye, daddy.
Daddy. Let's go. You can speak a little bit loud, right? Say hello, mommy. Say hello, mommy. Say hello, mommy, 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 mommy. So your teacher, I know you're not shy at home, right? So Lila, your teacher's going to ask you how does Q sound like, Lila? Q, 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 Q. Oh, very good. How does G sound like? G, 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 G. Oh, ooh, what about how does O sound like? O, 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 O. L, 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 L. L, Lila, 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 Lila. Very, Lila, you're doing so great these days. Your teacher really, really liked it. So today I think we're going to make a family photo. So you have to go to Jane teacher's classroom and do all the colorings, okay? Alright, so high five. Say bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Bye, mommy. Let's do that. Jennifer, are you ready? Yes? We're gonna show your mom. We're gonna show your mom if you remember all the letter sounds or not, okay? Jennifer, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q. Please keep it down. Nah, no screaming, okay? You can be a little bit pretty like a princess, like okay? Q, 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 Q. Oh, very good. K, 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 K. B, 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 B. Pa, pa, pa. What? How does O sound like? O, 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 O. A. Oh, this week we learned letter Q, 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 Q. Oh, Q, the little Q. Okay, so Jennifer, do you remember this? Quack, quack. Huh? Quack, quack. Huh? Quack. This is quack, quack. Quiver. Say quiver. So this is Jennifer. I think your mommies and daddies are watching. This is quack, quack. Say quiver. Quiver. Say quiver. Very good. Do you remember this then? Do you remember this? Quack, quack. Oh, yes, quiet. Very good. Speak louder. Speak really loud. What about this? Quack, quack. Quiz. What about this one? Quack, quack. Oh, very nice. So don't forget the Q sounds, okay? Don't forget the Q sounds like quack, 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 quack. Quiz, queen, quiver, and what's the last one? Quilt. Yes. Okay, so don't forget the letter sounds, okay, Jennifer? Okay, so let's go. Let's say bye-bye, mommy and daddy. Say I love you, mommy and daddy. Like a little baby. Okay. So, Caroline, are you okay? Are you sick? Is that why you're wearing a mask? What is this? Isn't this Minja's mask? Yes? This is Minja's mask, right? Why are you wearing a mask? Say hello, mommy.
Hello, Tokuri.
I think your mommy is watching this video clip and she's gonna be like, what is Caroline saying right now? Right, Caroline? Don't ever do that again, okay? So say hello, mommy.
Hello, Tokuri.
Caroline! Stop saying those words! Okay, so let's just pass. Okay, so Caroline, how does Q sound like? Q, 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 Q.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Yes. What about your teacher's gonna show you the picture and you have to get the answers, okay? What about what is this, Caroline? Quack, quack.
King.
Oh.
Don't
King. King, no. Queen. Say queen. Caroline, do you want to get my magic finger? I have 10 magic fingers right here. So don't ever do that again, okay? So what? How does Q sound like? Q, 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 quack, 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 quack. And this is quack, quack. This is queen. Queen, not king. This is queen. Queen, okay? I think you have to go to Jane teacher's room. We are going to take it again next week, okay? Your mommy's gonna be so One more time. Say hello, mommy. Okay, so don't be shy, okay? All right, so let's see if you can remember the Q words. How does Q sound like, Jenny? Q, 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 Q. Oh, very good. Quack, 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 quack. Do you remember this word? Quack, quack. Queen. Say queen. Queen. And say quack, quack. Quiz. Oh, very good. One last one. This is quack, quack, quiver. Say quiver. Quiver. Oh, very good. So don't forget the Q sound. Q, 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 Q. Oh, very good. So shy. Okay, so you can do a little bit better next time. Speak a little bit louder next time, okay? Right, so let's go over there with Jane teacher. We're gonna start. Bye.